Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.